Ice water challenge is cold as balls, and most of the people who do it on fucking are famous are pussy ass bitches who let their water sit outside for an hour so their ice melts and the water gets warm.
Hey, Stephanie, you challenged WWE Universe to the ALS challenge. Well, I'm doing it, and I'm challenging Tony, Bob, and Rachel.
Okay, this is for you, Stephanie McMahon. You said WWE Universe, and I challenge Christina Bailey, Joshua Johnson from Canada, and Tara Luker from Evansville, Indiana.
I was challenged by Tony and Rachel to take the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge, and I want to challenge my mom, my dad, and my son Josh.
You got it easier than I did.
What's up? It's your boy, Kid Shacky. I was challenged by my boy, Beep Beep Billy. And I'm ready to take the ALS challenge. I made my donation, and I challenged my publicist, Ashley. I challenged Paul from Boston, and I challenged Zach. Bring it on! Christ!
It looks like blood!
Thank you, WWE man. I'm going to take the Ice Bucket Challenge. I challenge 3 people. Everybody that works at the Oscar Farmer Classman here in Evansville, Indiana. Joshua Johnson. And my boy, Kenny Wendell. Oh my God, dude!
Thank you, WWE. I challenge 3 people. I challenge my whole school, every student, every teacher at McGarry Middle School. I challenge my coach and my whole football team again. And I challenge my grandma.
That is cold.
Feels good!